Hey guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to outline a picture on Photoshop PC. So, first and foremost, what you're going to need to do is start by opening your image on Photoshop. Use any selection tool, rectangular, marquee tool, lasso. Once you're done with that, select your active Go layer, new layer via copy, and then go ahead and stroke. So once you go ahead and stroke, you just go ahead and click edit outline section in the dialog box that seems to appear here. So set the width of your outline. This depends on how thick you want the outline to be, but it's totally up to you at this point. That's how quick and easy it is. So choose a color for your outline. Of course, you can just go ahead and take a pick, and that'll be it. Okay, so blend mode, capacity, that's it. So thank you so much for watching Tech Trick Tutorials, and you guys have a nice day.